Hey everyone, Fibro Guy Jonny. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the neuromuscular connection. What that is it's the connection basically between our brain and the muscles. It's how we would move. The weaker that connection, the poorer my coordination and movement. The stronger it is, the smoother and more coordinated I would be. And when we involve chronic pain in the conversation, it can completely throw things out of sync. Suddenly we will respond to these pain and change how we move, altering how we load our tissue. And then over time, through lack of use or avoidance, the connection between that muscle and the brain can deteriorate so that we suddenly can't contract it anymore. Does this mean your muscle is wrecked? No, not by any means. All it means is that you have a hard time communicating with it. But the silver lining to that is that we now know, and have known for a while, that exercise and other therapies are really good at helping us restore that connection. Not only changing back the movement patterns that we may have altered, but also strengthening the connection for smoother and more coordinated movement. And it's been shown to also help improve some people's pain. So if you've got any questions on the neuromuscular connection, please drop them in a comment below, or any questions on anything chronic pain related. Otherwise, have a great evening.